Welcome to WIKA Crochet channel. Today we'll learn how to crochet nice heart. Let your imagination guide you and you'll find all kinds of uses for these crocheted hearts. Use them to make lovely pins, keychains, cell phone or bag charms. Hang on your pet's collar. They look great. Materials used: crochet hook 2 mm, red yarn, tapestry needle, marker and scissors. Pattern: chain 2, 1 round, 4 single crochet in first chain. Add marker. Two row, 2 single crochet in first stitch. Add marker. Repeat 4 times. All 8 single crochet. Three round, 2 single crochet in first stitch. Add marker. Three single crochet in next 3 stitch. Two single crochet in next stitch. 3 single crochet in next 3 stitch. All 10 single crochet. Four round, 2 single crochet in first stitch. Add marker. Four single crochet in next 4 stitch. Two single crochet in next stitch. Four single crochet in next 4 stitch. All 12 single crochet. Five round, 12 single crochet. Add marker. all 12 single crochet. 6A. Round. 4 single crochet. 6 stitch. 2 single crochet. 6 single crochet. 7A. Round. 6 single crochet. Cut yarn and pull it through the last loop. With a tapestry needle, weave the tail through the front loops of the remaining 6 stitches and pull it tight to close. Weave in yarn end. Six B round. Add yarn. Six single crochet. All 6 single crochet. Seven B round. 6 single crochet. Cut yarn and pull it through the last loop. With a tapestry needle, weave the tail through the front loops of the remaining 6 stitches and pull it tight to close. Weave in yarn end. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press like button, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos and other crochet stuff.